Found your note on the dresser one morning. Said goodbye like it was nothing. I thought my heart would shatter, but I see now it didn't matter. Living large without your shadow. No more games, I won't follow. Took my time and now I'm shining. You walked out and it's silver lining. Better without you, I'm flying high. No more tears, I won't cry. The chains are gone, I'm running free. Life's a party and it's just for me. Used to think you were my anchor. Now I sail without a hinder. Your absence is my anthem. No more drama, just pure freedom. Picked up the pieces, mending my soul. Found my groove, now